My name is Hyung-Joon Kim. I am using RoboCam microscope in the lab. I saw RoboCam movie a long time ago when I was a kid. My impression was that RoboCam is like a hero. He can do everything. Likewise, RoboCam microscope can give me excitement and discovery moment. I studied a protein called SMC. That stands for Structural Maintenance of Chromosomes. More specifically, I use the RoboCam microscope to study how DNA binding protein is recruited to the DNA and how it compares DNA on a single molecule level. We didn't know how it compares DNA, but my research indicates that SNC protein can both wrap the DNA and bridge two different segments of the DNA. So my goal is to understand the underlying mechanism of the DNA binding proteins, and ultimately I would like to learn why many diseases can occur when DNA binding protein malfunctions. It is very exciting because I can reveal what no one in the world has known before.